Hello friend, this is Snehasis Party from the team of Mission Eyes. So in this video, I'll be discussing about nuclear weapon program. Nuclear weapon program. Okay, so in this program, what are the different impacts, or you can say that what are the different significance which has been played by different countries? Who is QA Khan? Okay, or AQ Khan? Who is AQ Khan? How he has played a very important role in the weapon program in the nuclear weapon program in Pakistan, and how China's hand in the program has given a we can say that given a final touch. Okay, so that's everything we'll be discussing, and how USA is silent about the smuggler of who is known as QA Khan. Okay, or AQ Khan. So why these all things are prior important whenever we are going to discuss about national security, intelligence officer or chief intelligence officer also we can say. So then after central intelligence agency also we can say. So then after nation building program, then after security to all the nations through weaponization, or we can say that defense force. So these things plays a very important role whenever we are going to discuss about nuclear proliferator. Okay, so the person who usually smuggles, the person who usually catches the information, gains the information, stores the information about how the weapons are being created, how the weapons are being manufactured, what are the different instruments or kits which are being involved in manufacturing the components. So those all things are prior important in one nation to another nation, because one nation's history about the program should not be revealed to another country unless and until there will not be any kind of bilateral relationship. So in this regard, just I want to say this person has a crime rate of 100%, I can also even say, because without any kind of bilateral relationship he has smuggled the nuclear weapon blueprint from different countries, and his struggling or his stolen information is being executed in Pakistan in the program of nuclear weapon, and with involvement of whom? With involvement of China, because Pakistan's, or we can say that the involvement of nuclear weapon program in Pakistan cannot get completed with the involvement of kids, but also it need man force to execute. So in the similar fashion, the man force has been provided by whom? The man force has been provided by China. So in this regard, just I want to say a brief history about this person. So this person usually worked as an engineer in Netherlands. In the working profile itself, he has stolen the information, or you can say that blueprint of different instrumentally used nuclear program or nuclear information, and he has stolen that, and he has given to the countries like North Korea, Pakistan, Libya. Okay, so Libya and North Korea even has its kit, now it has its implementation. So finally in 1980, sorry, until 1998, it has successfully tested nuclear weapon, which is done by Pakistan with the involvement of China. So in this regard, just I want to give a role that, so what, how, where, and how his life, actually the QA Khan's life, how actually his life has started. So why the government is silent, whether he has been present or not. So those things, all things are being related to Netherlands as well as Dutch and the CIA. Okay, and how USA has been playing a vital role in his regard. Okay, though those things are very interesting whenever I'm going to discuss. So in 2005, actually the Dutch usually had that the Netherlands sought to arrest Khan, okay, in 1975 and then again in 1986, but that on each occasion, okay, that on each occasion the Central Intelligence or CIA advised his country to back off. With Dutch authorities deferring to US intelligence, Khan was allowed to return to the Netherlands repeatedly. The last visit in 1992. Okay, so even though he has been prisoned for 4 to 5 years, still then he hasn't been prisoned for lifelong, because he must and should have to get off from the imprisonment, because he is having secrets, he is having the information which are even needed for nation building, for national security. So definitely none of the country should have to lose him because he is having the information, right? So if you have a resources which should be utilized, then definitely the resources should be utilized in a progressive manner, right? So in the similar fashion, if you are poor, if you are bad, if you are such a kind of stupid fellow, still then they will need you, they need your presence there, because you have the information, you have the resources, right? So in the similar fashion, Khan also been subsequently been released by the prison through different CIA agent, and some of the even agent has helped him in such a manner that all the evidence among him has been burned out, we can say that has been cleared out, and none of the evidence are been provided in the court, such that he get a bail, or you can say that he successfully been released from the jail itself. Okay, so these things are prior important with in consent with the Khan. Okay, so then after a row, the US consent with steering only Pakistan 1998 nuclear test, which emboldened Khan's metamorphosis for a buyer to a seller after Iran and Libya later admitted receiving nuclear items from Pakistan linked black market. US pressure compelled the Pakistan to open investigation into Khan's activity. Okay, so these things are being kept in a eye of whom? Eye of the US, but still they haven't been keeping Khan for his progressive, for his differing you can say that differing attitude for nation building, for national security, even though till now, till the end of his life, okay, till the end of his AQ Khan life, he has been subsequently under high security by the Pakistanis, or we can say the Pakistani militaries, and even he has been involvement with the Pakistani military indirectly, or can say that. So then after some of the recent news had been provided, or some of the news which has been provided in the past, that the US also been had its involvement with AQ Khan, but still he do not have any kind of inference, or you can say that involvement with AQ Khan's activity. But even you can say that Khan's disowned his confidence, says that it has been forced up by him by Musafir. Okay, with the Islamabad High Court ruled his house detention unlawful, Khan lived in the rest of his life in a comfortable Islamabad villa with the state provided security. Yet the US readily accused in the charge of the being, despite knowing well that Khan would not have operated alone in the country but has always been in the grip of the military. British investigative journalists which have written. So such a kind of things cannot be done by a single person, because nuclear program is very confidential. The weapons, the information, and the uranium platform, which usually is very vibratively reactive, okay, we can say that reactive elements. So when we have learned about what are the different reactive elements, so then definitely I will be say uranium is very dangerous and a reactive element. So dealing with these kind of things, it is not at all possible for a one man to do all things, but a leader can do that with his students. Okay, so who are his students? That's the reason what the US need to know. So because the leader only know what is there and what is not there, but the student who knows everything, detailed information regarding everything, right? So if who wants to know about the teacher, definitely they should have to stick with students. Then students only can say who is he, how is he, where is he, what kind of person he is, what kind of things he used to do. So those all things are been done by students itself. So in the similar fashion, who is the other person who has been involved? So I hope you have got an idea regarding this. I will be ending the video lecture soon. So thank you for watching my video, and thanks a lot. I hope you have got an idea about who is QA Khan, how he has been making a terror activities. We can say that we cannot be saying it terror activity, because unless and until it will not be going into the jihad parties, or in the hand of jihad, nuclear weapon processing is very difficult, right? So now Taliban even have their occurrence in Afghanistan. Let me soon have a video on this, because how the Taliban will be offering a great advancement in nuclear weapon program. Okay, so till then, thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot.